Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're walking you through a simple, step-by-step method to debone a whole chicken like a pro. No stress, no wasted meat, just a smooth, easy technique anyone can master. And that's how you debone a whole chicken. Now you can stuff it, roast it, or turn it into a delicious boneless chicken roll, just like we'll be doing in our next recipe. And don't toss those bones. They're perfect for making a rich, flavorful stock. If you found this helpful, let us know in the comments what other techniques you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy cooking!